Welcome to GoodCrypto. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to connect your exchange account to GoodCrypto using API keys. First, what are API keys? They act as a secure bridge between your exchange and third-party platforms like GoodCrypto. They allow us to view your exchange balances and positions and execute trades on your behalf. All of this happens without accessing your account credentials, ensuring your account remains secure. There are two ways to connect your exchange account. Sign in with functionality or manually adding your API key to GoodCrypto. Sign in with is the easiest and most secure method. This functionality is available for exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, and OKX, with more being added soon. All you need to do is select the exchange you want to connect to the app in Settings, sign into your exchange account, and allow the connection to GoodCrypto when prompted. This method uses the same OAuth protocol trusted by services like Sign In with Google or Sign In with Apple. It securely generates and links the API key to GoodCrypto without ever revealing the key itself. For other exchanges, you'll need to manually generate an API key. Don't worry, it's straightforward. We'll use Bybit as an example, but the process is similar across platforms. Go to your exchange's API management page, usually located in Account Settings, and create a new API key. If presented with the choice between the user-generated and system-generated API key, select System-Generated. If available, choose Connect to Third-Party Applications and select GoodCrypto. This ensures the API key is exclusively usable by our platform, enhancing security. You will then need to set permissions and restrictions for your API key. Enable read and write permissions for both spot and futures trading. Do not enable withdrawal permissions for the API key. Some exchanges require you to restrict the API key to specific IP addresses. You'll find GoodCrypto's server IPs and settings. Exchanges under the respective exchange. Copy and paste these into the IP whitelist field. Exchanges like KuCoin or Coinbase may require a passphrase for your API key. Think of this as a password for your key. Enter it during the setup and save it securely. You'll need it later. To finalize your API key creation, click Save, complete verification, and your API key is ready. You will now see your public and secret keys. Copy and paste them into the exchange section in GoodCrypto settings. Paste passphrase as well if required. Name your account and click Save and Validate. Once validated, your API key status will show as OK. Congratulations! You are now ready to trade with GoodCrypto. For more detailed guides on each exchange, check out our FAQ. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more updates from GoodCrypto. See ya!